Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a beautiful, compact perennial that's perfect for rock gardens, borders, and containers, Ballerina Lilac Armeria. This plant is a stunning choice for adding soft lilac pink hues to your garden while attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. Did you know that Ballerina Lilac Armeria is commonly called the sea thrift? Despite its delicate ornamental appearance, it's actually a hardy plant that thrives in coastal conditions, tolerating salty air and sandy soils with ease. Ballerina Lilac Armeria is native to coastal regions of Europe and North America. It has long been a favorite in seaside gardens and alpine landscapes due to its ability to withstand poor soils and harsh weather. The Ballerina series was specifically bred for larger, longer-lasting blooms and a more compact, mounding habit, perfect for modern garden designs. This low-growing, clump-forming perennial produces grassy, deep green foliage that forms a tidy mound. In spring and early summer, it sends up sturdy stems topped with large, globe-like lilac flowers. Each bloom lasts for weeks. With proper deadheading, it can continue flowering throughout the season. At full maturity, it reaches about 8 to 12 inches tall and wide, making it a fantastic edging plant or ground cover. Ballerina Lilac Armeria is incredibly low maintenance and thrives in full sun with well-draining soil. It prefers sandy or rocky conditions and is drought tolerant once established, making it a great choice for xeriscaping or dry gardens. Hardy in USDA zones 4 through 9, this plant can withstand cold winters and warm summers. Just be assured to avoid overly moist or clay-heavy soils, as it dislikes excessive humidity and poor drainage. Ballerina Lilac Armeria pairs beautifully with other drought-tolerant perennials like sedum and lavender. It also works well alongside ornamental grasses like creeping thyme and creeping phlox for a colorful textured ground cover. In rock gardens, try planting it near succulents or silver foliage plants to enhance its delicate lilac blooms. One of the standout traits of Ballerina Lilac Armeria is its ability to rebloom multiple times per season with regular deadheading. It's also resistant to deer and rabbits, making it an excellent choice for gardens and wildlife-prone areas. Additionally, it attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to a healthy garden ecosystem. And that's everything you need to know about Ballerina Lilac Armeria. Whether you're looking for a low-maintenance border plant, a rock garden favorite, or a pollinator-friendly perennial, this plant delivers beauty and resilience. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant care tips and gardening inspiration. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.